This is lesson number 6, and here I will explain to you the numerical expressions evaluation with integers. So see, the basic concept is same what we have already learned in the last few lessons, but here I will explain to you if expression has two or more signs or operations, so how you have to solve the questions, right? The question is, suppose question number 1 is solve the following question or expression. So in this question you have seen that we have two operations, or you can say you have two signs. One is the multiplication and other is the subtraction, right? So in algebra, if suppose you have a question or expression in which you have multiple operations, suppose you have a parenthesis, you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponent, so how you have to solve that question, what you have to do first, right? So always keep in mind, then you have to follow BEDMAS rule. If you have an expression in which you have multiple operations, then you have to follow the BEDMAS. BEDMAS means first you have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. Whatever is in the parenthesis you have to solve first, and then you have to solve the exponent, and then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? So you have to follow this rule. If you will not follow this rule, suppose if you will do division first, subtraction next, and then parenthesis, your answer will be wrong. So I will show you here what you have to do. Do operations inside the parenthesis first. This is bracket first, B. Solve the exponent E, and then division and multiplication from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. In addition and subtraction, do any operation first. There is no rule that you have to do addition first or subtraction first. You can do any one first, the answer will be same. So here suppose in this expression you have multiplication and subtraction. So what you have to do first? Suppose if you will do 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and then minus 1 multiplied by 3, so answer will be minus 3. But the answer is 1, right? Why? Because you have to follow this rule. If you will not follow this rule, the answer is wrong. So multiplication, you have here two operation, multiplication and subtraction. So see BEDMAS, what is coming first? Multiplication, this one, multiplication. So you have to multiply first 3 1 time 3, right? 3 1 time 3, and then minus 2. So 3 minus 2 equal to 1, right? Okay, we will discuss one more question. Here you have two operation. One is plus and other is division. This is division, like this. This is division, right? So you have to follow the rule. You have addition, and here you have to divide it by 1. So it is very easy, because if it is in the denominator, you have 1, always the numerator answer will come. So 8 divided by 1, which is equal to 8. But see, you have to do division first and then addition. So 8 divided by 1, which will remain the same, 8, and then 8 and 6, 14. So 14 is the answer. Now in this question, you have to see how many operations you have and what they are. So we have two operations, one is multiplication and one is the addition. So what you have to follow? BEDMAS, right? So see, BEDMAS, first is the multiplication in BEDMAS and then is the addition. So you have to multiply first. I will show you what will happen if you will add together first. So see, 5 plus 5, 10, and then 10 6 times 60. So your answer will be 60, which is wrong. Answer is 35. How 35? Because you have to follow BEDMAS. In BEDMAS, multiplication is first. So 6 multiplied by 5, which is 30, and then 30 plus 5, which is equal to 35. So 35 is the right answer. We will do one more question. Here, what you have to see first, how many operation you have and what they are. So because this is the very simple lesson, in the next lesson we will do some complicated questions as well. So 3 plus 6 divided by 2, right? So I will not do that 3 plus 6 9 and then 9 divided by 2. So answer will be 4.5, which is wrong. Answer is 6. How the answer is 6? Because you have to follow BEDMAS. Always BEDMAS. If you have any question, in that question you have suppose plus, minus, addition, whatever, multiple operations, always use BEDMAS. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. So first is the division here. See, division. This is 6 divided by 2, 2 1 time 2, 2 3 times 6. So it will be 3 plus 3, and then 6 is the answer, and then is the addition. So 6. Last question is, in this question you have plus and minus, right? And I told you addition and subtraction is here, that do any operation first. If it is only addition and subtraction, you can do subtraction first or addition and then subtraction. Answer will be same. I will show you. Suppose here you will add first. 6 plus 8 14, 14 minus 2 12. So answer is 12. But if you will do subtraction first, 8 minus 2 6, then 6 plus 6 12. So in addition and subtraction, you do not do any operation first. But you cannot do that you are doing subtraction first, then multiplication, then parenthesis. No, you have to follow the BEDMAS: bracket, parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Right? So in this lesson, you have learned the basic rules of BEDMAS. In the next lesson, we will do some advanced topics, advanced questions. Right? If still you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy. And thanks for watching it.